Welcome to Tech Support from Emam, your dedicated destination for simplified IT solutions and expert software guidance. Are you tired of constant system errors? Struggling with software installations that just won't work? Don't let technical glitches slow you down. From clean Windows 10 and 11 setups to optimizing your PC for peak performance, I bring you step-by-step tutorials to master your computer like a pro. Whether it's professional creative tools, office suites, or fixing those annoying DLL missing errors, I've got you covered with the right fixes and official setup guides. Need a more personal touch? You can now hire me for direct support. Using TeamViewer or AnyDesk, I can remotely access your system and solve your complex IT issues while you sit back and relax. Professional, fast, and reliable. Empower your digital life today. Subscribe to Tech Support from Emam and never face a tech problem alone again. For inquiries, check the description below. Let's get to work.